I think this is slimy. Oh no, it's not slimy, bro. I don't know what it is. Salmon, maybe. I think I stole your fish, bro. Taylor. Not bad. Too big one, eh? That was you lost the 20 kilo, yeah? I heard about it in his 60. Someone lost a big kingfish.
Somebody was watching.
Somebody too?
Video me.
Wow. On that rod? Oh, live bite. Right. Surprisingly, on the 70 gram, I caught slimy too, Andy. Huh? Slimy bite this one too.
Oh, stick bite.
Yes. Tyler, yeah? Okay. Oh, it was a slimy. Andy's on. Salmon.
Why do you know bloody salmon?
Is it jumping out of?
Gone funny? I knew that was salmon. Or something.
Yeah.
Small one.
Oh yeah. Salmon. I think Gerard will. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, still have fun. Still having fun. Is he on? Another salmon? Oh dear. Boom! 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 Big salmon again. Oh yeah. Small, seems big.
Holy shit, what was that?
Far out. Nice one. Wow, look at that on a big stick bite. Only Tyler, maybe. Only Tyler. Is it? You want slimy, bro?